I'm with Andrey at Wilkin Sons up at Tiptree. Now, we got a farm here, but most people think of Wilkin as a jam factory. Tell us, how many acres have you got?
The total land owned by Wilkin Sons is 650 acres. That's together with the factory, with roads and everything, and it's spread around 3 farms in the area, and they're not far from Tiptree. So, but the furthest away is five miles from here.
So it's quite eco-friendly, and really, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a very
Compact.
compact in one place, we would say.
Now, what fruits are your main fruits that you're growing? Strawberries, I know, because we talk a lot about strawberries. You do raspberries?
We do raspberries, and we do a series of different fruits for the factory. For example, mulberries we've got medlars, we've got quinces just right behind us. We've got different types of plants, plums we grow for them as well for the jamming process, and we have some apples too.
But the thing about your farm is that you've had a lot of innovation over the years, and I know I've come and talked about the water harvesting. That was one of the things that you tried to improve the farm as a farm, isn't it?
Yeah, water is a scarce resource of ours. We live and farm in the driest part of the driest county in the country, so we look after the water very careful. Innovation in terms of water application for the crops, drip irrigation, small drips, and catching all the water. We've got the structures for the strawberries where we actually harvest the water and put it into.
And then if we look round here, we can see how much acre is it of water there then we've got?
It's about 5 acres of water there, and together with the rest of the reservoirs in Tiptree, we actually, if we fill them over the winter period, we are self-sufficient throughout the entire summer without a drop of rain. So we kind of built that over the years, and we're really proud of that. But we're also looking further down the line because the weather events are becoming more severe rain and not much for months. So we're looking to extend our water storage capacity, where we've got harvesting capacity now, plenty of harvesting capacity, and that way we can secure the water for 2-3 years, for example.
Now you also, I can see you fallow land to improve it as well, don't you?
Yeah, it's a crop rotation. The stuff which is not under fruit production is under arable rotation, so it's a rotating, and you always have a fallow land throughout the years.
It's part of farming, isn't it?
It is part of that, and just giving the land to the soil to recuperate and get the nutrients back to the soil.
Now, as a bit of a heathen, I could say, but hang on, over here, look, what have we got? Solar panels on farmland. Now tell me, there's a lot of solar panels going on over there, so tell me more about those.
So solar panels is part of our energy strategy. So when the energy went crazy expensive a few years back, the prices are coming down, but we decided at that stage to invest in solar. We've got plenty of land. It's very close to the factory. It's actually next door to our factory, and with the field which you've just seen, we're looking at, once that solar is finished, solar build is finished, they're just finishing the last few lines. They will have plenty of solar to actually power our factory on a daily basis without any take from the grid.
That's impressive. So you're aiming and going closer and closer to carbon neutral.
That's our aim, actually, as a company. I can proudly say, as a head of farm, where everything what we produce on our farm is a carbon neutral, with the land available, with the production we have in place. But of course, we have the factory as a company where actually we have to offset the carbon, and we have our farm, our land, and that's what we're looking to inset our carbon instead of offset it and buy credit from elsewhere.
So we watch Wilkin Son in Tiptree with interest, because you must be one of the leaders in soft fruit. Well, you've got some top fruit as well, soft and top fruit production, but a jam factory as well?
Would love to be leaders, and we always, pro innovation, and we're always looking for something new to get better crops.
And they are, as we look across, we can see there are solar panels, fallow land, and beyond water collection as well. I'll tell you what, it's lovely out here at Tiptree, especially when the sun's shining.